Hello my dear friends. Today's model is from a new brand offering live TV, in my opinion, is more of the same, but with some emphasis on the display resolution quality of their live streams. This is the Digibox D3 Plus Live TV and Video On Demand Android TV box. So in this model, using AppsCats to deliver their live TV service, which of course accounts for 90% of the price you'll be paying for this unit. So to find out all there is to know about this model, stay tuned, my full review is up next. So the contents of the box are as expected. You get the D3 Plus model. The body is entirely made of plastic with the Digibox branding on top. For input/output, things get a bit different. To the side, it has 4 USB 2.0 ports and a micro SD card reader. At the front, it has an LED power light. To its rear, a pair of external antennas. It has an IR extender, 1 AV port, a non-gigabit LAN port, 1 HDMI 2.1 port, 1 optical audio, its DC power socket, and to its base has 4 rubber feet with no ventilation holes, a Bluetooth voice remote, a 5V 2A DC power adapter, 1 HDMI cable, and a user manual. All right, and it is turning on, followed by the pairing of the Bluetooth remote, and then you are taken to the launcher. So this launcher was custom made for this model, and it's called the Digibox launcher. It's designed to be navigated fully with a direction pad and OK button, and it can also be navigated with a mouse pointer. To the bottom here, it features a multi-layer shortcut bar. At the top, features a date and time widget, and a shortcut bar to all its special features. First of all, you need to connect to Wi-Fi to update the launcher, your Wi-Fi settings. Select our network and enter the password. Update the launcher. Go to YouTube and select any 4K video. For watching YouTube videos, you get up to 4K 2160p without issues. So the selling point of this box and what accounts for the majority of its high price is its ability to install live TV and video on demand service for thousands of live TV channels and video on demand movies. Out of the box, this service is not included, and you will have to install those apps as a personal decision from an external source via built-in APK App Store. Upon opening the App Store, there's another disclaimer about the source of the available apps, and you should be aware of the intellectual property rights law in your country or region. And because they are not served on the Google Play Store, they cannot guarantee that every app is safe or harmless, so you should carry out your own virus and malware scanning. The service provides 1,141 live TV channels in HD 1080p resolution, over 9,000 video-on-demand movies, over 2,000 TV series, and over 300 anime in HD and 4K. You also get up to 7 days of playback with a separate app. All services are supported by full EPG guide. So in testing the service, I noticed that they offer a much smaller tailored lineup of the most popular and essential channels, but the HD quality is what makes it stand out from the rest. I would have loved to give you a live demonstration, but due to YouTube's community guidelines, I am forbidden from displaying that type of content, which could result in my channel being taken down. So you will just have to take my word for it and see for yourself. Another thing to note is that you can take the D3 Plus anywhere with you, anywhere in the world, and the service will work once it's connected to the internet. If you like camping or watching movies out of doors, it's compatible with all displays and projectors, giving you entertainment options to the fullest. Let's take a look at its hardware. So the manufacturer is Allwinner, and it runs on a 4GB of DDR4 RAM and 64GB of internal storage. Its Bluetooth version is 5.0. Its CPU is the Allwinner H616, a quad-core Cortex A53 processor clocked at 1.5 GHz, configured in 32-bit mode. Its GPU is the Mali G31 with OpenGL version 3.2 support. It comes with a dual-band Wi-Fi 6 adapter. It's running on Android 12. Speedtest Wi-Fi 2.4 GHz averaged around 51 megabits per second, which corresponds to the state speed of my internet provider. In summary, I would start by stating that I like all features this box presents on its launcher. I like the mobile remote control app, its Google Assistant feature, and its Bluetooth remote. I like that screen mirroring works in HD quality, and I like that they chose to go with the mobile version of Android and granted root access. And of course, the live TV and video on demand apps, in my opinion, stand out because it's an HD 1080p resolution, and the video on demand app even provides up to Blu-ray quality. So if I had to single out the best feature in this box, it would be its live TV and video on demand service. So see this link in the description below this video. So that brings to an end this review. Thanks for watching. Give the video the thumbs up to support the work that I do on this channel. Thanks again for watching, and see you soon.